Ladies and gentlemen, the Audi A8 is the ultimate embodiment of status and prestige. The car has been built around an all-new single-frame architecture, which is a lot lower and a lot wider than the predecessor. This creates a sporty stance and makes the car a lot more prestige-oriented. The headlights are sleek and very narrow, and we integrate a very distinctive daytime running light, which creates a very self-confident and proud view. 2 lines on a bonnet creates a very sculptured and muscular element and visualize the power. And everything in the front is underlined by a very horizontal air intake, which stresses the width of the car. But let us talk about the side view. And before we do this, I'd like to talk about the propulsion. If you recognize, the front end is 100% vertical, and the rear end is positive angled. And it looks almost that the whole rear is pushing the car forward. This is inspired by a classical motor yacht. And we did something special because Audi is standing for progressive. And I'd like to explain to you what's different in this proportion comparing to our competitors. We create a very bold, muscular, long, extended body, and we put an almost coupe-like roof on it. The seat post is really, really fast. It looks almost like a four-door coupe, but the head clearance is almost 20 mil more than the current car, but it looks in interior like a coupe. This is really progressive. And the main feature in the side is one detail. For the last almost 30 years, the shoulder line at Audi had been on top of the wheel arches from the front to the back. This time, we introduced a complete new theme. The shoulder line went down in between the wheels. We did this because of 2 reasons. One reason is the point of gravity visually is coming down, so it's stressing the sportiness. Another reason, the most important one, is that we create space for a muscle on the rear wheel and on top of the front wheel, because this visualizes quattro, and Audi is quattro. There's another nice detail I'd like to highlight is this very precise line, which is under the belt line, which is super precise, extend the whole length and creates a really elegant feeling. It's exactly in between the muscular, strong body and the sleek roof line. Let us talk about the rear. You recognize that the rear is very elegant. It's dominated by horizontal lines. And the main feature in this rear end is our very thin and precise LED taillight band. This is inspired by the past of Audi, but in a very modern way, very progressive, very thin, underlined by a very precise chrome bar. These taillights are featured by OLED technology, which is a lot more visible and illuminated, and it creates a kind of 3D effect. These horizontal lines are underlined by a very visible chrome line on the bottom, which starts on the side section and in the back and houses the exhausts. And altogether, I have to say, with a very sleek and slim window, it's a very elegant and powerful rear end. And to underline that this is Audi's flagship, we integrate a really, really unique light animation. This shows that this is our flagship. Like in the front, our HD matrix LED headlights and the laser lights. And I have to say, ladies and gentlemen, this is how we define at Audi new luxury. Thank you very much.